Graphic design jobs are going to increase by over 150% because people are going to want to start hiring their own person now.
I would not be able to do the art that I do without Scott and the art department and the people that are here in Kirtland itself.
I've never met anyone like him. He's probably one of the best artists I've seen. He offers so many tips of advice, not just with art, but with life that can extend into art.
My job is to help you build your portfolio, to do the artwork that you're passionate about, and to be able to achieve your dream. Those students become like my kids, and I want what's best for them. So I really help encourage them and build that strong portfolio. And I think the biggest thing is you give them the sense of you believe in them. You have the trust that they're going to get things done.
It's very one-on-one, very personalized, where you feel like you make a connection with them. And I think of him like a second father almost because of how much I've been talking to him and working with him, and it's great.
The art department as a whole in Kirtland is just a place that encourages you to be creative and pursue what you want to do creatively and just go for it. Take the jump and get into art and make cool stuff.